Becoming fluent in English is not just a magic. It is a mix of a consistent practice, smart learning, and making English part of your daily life. Let's discuss in this video how you can be fluent in detail. Do not forget to subscribe this channel if you are new and hit the like button if you like my videos. Be with me till the end of this video so that you can know some techniques and methods which will really help you to be fluent in English. Let's get started. Point 1. Listen more than you speak. You can start watching some movies, some English movies, YouTube videos, or you can start listening English podcast. Focus on understanding pronunciation, tone, and common phrases. Don't just listen passively. Repeat what you hear. Point 2. Speak every day, even to yourself. Describe what you are doing, like I'm making a tea, I'm dancing, I'm drinking water. Do daily practice with your teachers, friends. You can use some online apps also like Cambly, Hello Talk, or Tandem to talk to a native speakers, which will help you to be fluent in English. Point 3. Learn phrases, not just words. Instead of memorizing an apple alone, you would say, I love apple, I'm eating an apple, and so many sentences which you can make with a single word. So instead of on any word, you have to start speaking phrases. This helps you sound more natural. Read out loud. You can start reading some short stories, articles, or dialogues aloud. This improves pronunciation and speaking confidence. Point 5. Write in English daily. You can start writing a diary so that whatever you are doing in your daily routine, you can start writing in your diary. Like yesterday I went to the park, yesterday I met with my best friend, so that slowly your writing skill will develop. It builds grammar, spelling, and sentence flow. So do not forget to start writing a diary from today itself. Point 6 is start thinking in English. Stop translating in your head from your native language. Train your brain to think in English directly. Train your brain to form thoughts directly in English. Don't fear mistakes. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Mistakes are proof that you're learning, not failing. Point number 8. Be consistent. 15 to 20 minutes are better even a day. Do daily English speaking practice for 15 to 20 minutes. So these techniques will really help you to be fluent in English. Fluency is built drop by drop.